Alright. Wait, is this recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's recording. No, cut.
Make it fine. Make it fine. Junior Magic.
Yeah, this is the Junior Magic Shop. No, I had a name.
It's like my dad.
The Magic Shop.
The stupid shop.
The Magic Shop.
The fucking ass.
No, it's going on YouTube. You know everything you're saying is gonna go on YouTube.
Okay, fine.
So yeah, you just said the F word.
You just did.
No, I didn't.
I said that to your name. You're Junior Magic.
Hey guys, welcome to the Magic Shop. I had another name.
Stupid Magic Shop.
Right here. Yeah. You always beastly. It's fake. Wait, where? I'm just kidding, it's not fake. Lewis, chill the F out before I slap you all over that freaking face. So yeah. A new laptop. I usually record with this or something. My phone. But yeah, I don't feel like it. No, you should give me my blue comb. Can you hear me? It's right there next to the radio. Don't throw it, don't throw it.
This is him brushing his stupid hair.
I'm not brushing, I'm combing. There's a difference. Bruh. I'm combing my hair, don't worry. Junior Magic's combs his hair sometimes. If he gets bored, you know. Soft as possible. My hair is too long. I'm gonna cut it. When I get a haircut, I'll show you. Put it on Facebook. I mean, not Facebook. I'm gonna put it on YouTube right away when I get my haircut trimmed. It might be like this, but this is gonna be cut off. But it might be like this. Right? So yeah. I'm not moving like the background. Oh, I'm not moving. The background. Background. Alright guys, I'm done. Peace.